If Steam is stuck on the Bootstrapper error, crashing on startup, or hanging before it even opens, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through 3 simple fixes that can solve the problem fast. The Steam client Bootstrapper is the background process that handles launching and updating Steam, so when it breaks, Steam often won't load properly. The good news is that in many cases, you can fix it without reinstalling the whole app. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. Let's get into it. The first thing to try is running Steam as an administrator. Sometimes the Bootstrapper fails because Windows is blocking Steam from writing update files or making changes it needs in the background. To do that, right-click your Steam shortcut on the desktop or in the Start menu, then choose Run as Administrator. If Steam opens normally after that, then you found the issue. To make sure you don't have to do this every time, right-click the shortcut again, choose Properties, go to the Compatibility tab, and check the box that says Run this program as an administrator. Then click Apply and OK. This gives Steam the permissions it needs every time you launch it. If that didn't fix it, the next step is to clear the download cache. A corrupted download or update file can get stuck and cause the Bootstrapper to loop endlessly or fail to start. If Steam opens at all, click Steam in the top left corner, go to Settings, then Downloads, and look for the Clear Download Cache option. Confirm it, and Steam may ask you to sign in again after restarting. But if Steam won't open, there's another way to reset it. Press Windows key plus R to open the Run box, then type steam://flush config and press Enter. Confirm the prompt if you see one, then restart your computer. This forces Steam to refresh its configuration and clear out some of the bad data that may be causing the Bootstrapper error. Now, if the problem is still there, the third fix is to reset the package folder. This works because Steam stores some of its core Bootstrapper and update components inside that folder, and if those files become damaged, Steam can get stuck on not responding or fail to launch completely. First, make sure Steam is fully closed. Open Task Manager and check that steam.exe is not running in the background. If it is, end the task. Then open File Explorer and go to your Steam installation folder. By default, that is usually C/ProgramFiles86/Steam. Inside that folder, look for the package folder. Open it, delete everything inside it, and then close File Explorer. Don't worry, Steam will recreate these files automatically. After that, launch Steam again. It should re-download the latest Bootstrapper components and rebuild the files it needs to run. At this point, one of these fixes usually solves the Steam Bootstrapper error. In most cases, the administrator permission fix or clearing the cache is enough. But if Steam is still stuck, resetting the package folder is often the step that brings it back to life. The key is to go through these fixes one by one and test Steam after each step so you know which one actually solved it. If you want to keep fixing your PC faster, go ahead and subscribe to the channel because I post simple tutorials that save you time and frustration. And if this video helped, leave a like so more people can find it when they're dealing with the same Steam issue. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.